Hi, welcome to the QuickIT.net. Today we will going to learn about how to maintain the Excel sheet in order to read the data from the XLS file. So I am opening one Excel and writing the data over here in Excel. So I can say username and a password. Okay, and inside here I am writing the username. Let's say admin test 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 testing testing. Okay, so let me save this data. Okay, save as. Okay, in a dedicated drive. Okay, so I'm saving over here and I'm saying, okay, data dot. First we will see the version of XLS. Okay, so I will be going to use the XLS. Okay, we support to 97 to 2003 version. Okay, so click on save. Okay, so let's open the Eclipse and start writing code. So inside here src test java, okay, I will be going to create a new package, okay, which is say com.read, and inside here we'll create one class read data from Excel. Okay, I will be going to add this main method. Okay, so here, okay, I will be writing my code. Okay, so first we need to create an object of file class to open XLS file. Okay, so let me create an object. Okay, so I am saying new file. Okay, import the file from java.io file. Okay, and here I am writing a string path. Okay, where my file has been kept. Okay, so I am saying over here, so where is my file located? Okay, this is my file. Okay, so I will be going to copy this path, okay, and paste it over here and say data.xls. Okay, put a semicolon. Okay, and here inside I am providing a path. That's it. Okay, then second step is create an object of file input stream class to read Excel file. Okay, so I can say file input stream fs equal to new file input stream, and here I am writing file. Okay, I would like to create, okay, now the workbook instance. Okay, workbook instance, right? But before that I need to handle this exception, so I can say throw exception, right? And here I am creating the workbook object, so I am saying wb equal to new hssf workbook. Okay, and then I need to create a sheet object, okay, sheet object, so that I can able to decide in which sheet I need to go and test the data. Okay, so second part is create a sheet object. So how you will going to create a sheet object? Sheet object dependency always be dependent on this workbook. Okay, you will not go inside the sheet, okay, if you don't open the workbook. Okay, so first you need to open the workbook, then you can go to the toward my sheet. Okay, so I will say, okay, wb, this is the reference variable, and I am saying wb dot get sheet. Okay, in which sheet I would like to go. So I can say this is my sheet 1, or you can rename this sheet also. Okay, let's say test. Okay, it's my sheet name. I can say test here, and we'll say, if you roll over the mouse over here, okay, so just a second. Okay, if you roll over the mouse over here, okay, you can see, okay, just a second, but before that I need to do something. I need to pass the file input stream object over here. Okay, and then I would like to create what? My worksheet object. So how should I create? Okay, wb dot get sheet. Okay, so this is my test, right? Sheet name is test, and I can say, if you roll over the mouse on the get sheet, it is saying please save this sheet into the HSSF sheet class. Okay, so I will be going to create the object of my HSSF sheet. Okay, import the HSSF sheet from org apache poi dot hssf dot user model, right? Then just a second, I will be need to do for some sort of formatting. Okay, then what is next? Okay, create a row object. Now I need to create what? My row object to retrieve row at index 1. Okay, so how could I do it? Okay, so I can say I need to go to the sheet and get row. Okay, is the method which is responsible. Okay, I need to retrieve the data which is placed on the first index position. Okay, I can say here HSSF row. If you roll over the mouse on the get row method, you can see, okay, we need to save under the object of HSSF row. Okay, and import the row from Apache Poi. Okay, right. Now what I need to do over here, I can say over here, okay, row dot, I need to create what now? A cell object. Okay, to retrieve cell at index position, let's say 1. Okay, so I can say row dot get cell, okay, index position here the 1, because I want to retrieve the cell object, to retrieve cell which is present at index position 1, and I will be going to save this, okay, inside HSSF cell. Okay, so cell, right, import the HSSF cell here, right. Now I need to get data, or you can say the fetch data wrote inside cell. Okay, so how can you do it? Okay, so I can say cell dot get string cell value. Okay, this will be going to save under my string, let's say data. Okay, the variable I am taking as a data, and print the data. Okay, so I can say here CISO system.out.println data is, okay, and here I can say data, right? Let's run the code. Okay, let me do the formatting. Okay, and just run the code. Okay, run as my Java application. Okay, what it is giving? Because sheet is null. Okay, because sheet is null. So why sheet is null? We need to check it out. Okay, sheet is null, Java line number 30. So here, okay, so let me open this Excel file again. Okay, so what went wrong over here? Okay, so we'll need to check it out. Okay, so I have created the object of file input stream, workbook object. Okay, get cell, this one, just a second. So can you see? Okay, data is admin. Okay, it is working properly now. Okay, so data is admin, that means, okay, on 1 1 position, row number 1 and cell number 1. So you can see this is the 0th index position, 0 0. So on 1 1, okay, this admin value is getting printed. Okay, let's say if I change this to the testing word, if I want to fetch this value, okay, how can I fetch this? So I can say, okay, third row, okay, and second column. Okay, this is my second column. Okay, let me check it out. Okay, this is my third row. Okay, and just a second. Okay, can you see the testing word? Data is my testing word. This is my first cell, that is a column position. So that's what it is retrieving the data. Data is testing word. Okay, now that we have understood how to read a particular cell value, okay, in the next lecture we will going to see how to read the entire Excel sheet. Okay, so keep coding along with me. Happy testing. Have a great day.